you guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome to another cleaning video. Today I have a quick cleaning video for you guys, so we're gonna jump right into it.
Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't.
So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I talk about it so much. Logan loves being on my bed. For some reason, every time I'm done making it, he's always ready to jump in and just get cozy. So he was waiting for me to finish making it so he can jump right in there. And I always try to tell him at least stay on top of the covers so I don't have to make my bed 100 times a day. But it's just so funny how my kids are just attracted to my bed for some reason. Their room stays clean because they only go there to sleep, and the other room that they use is the playroom. But other than that, they're always hanging out in my room. So I'm just going around putting everything away and making sure that everything is put away before I start wiping down. I've been using the method in the lavender scent. I love it so much. My other favorite is the pomegranate. It's the pink one. I used to think, sorry, it's not pomegranate, it's grapefruit, I think. Yeah, it smells really good, so I usually use those two. I've tried the green one, but it's not my favorite. So anyways, I'm just going around wiping down the surfaces. One of the places that I really wanted to wipe down was our windowsill. Not a minute, but in a little while I'm going to show you guys how dirty it was. Our room doesn't get very dusty, but I had noticed that our windows were getting a little bit dirty.
I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh, no.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, fall right out of love. Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So before I head back into my bedroom to mop the floors, I wanted to take care of the floors in my living room because I really needed to mop the floors. I had swept it in the morning, so I wanted to make sure that I mopped it as well.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get.
So while I waited for the floors to dry, I brought down our laundry so I could get it going. I had a load in the dryer that I had done for the kids the day before, so I wanted to make sure that I take care of that one as well.
Good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah.
Thank you guys so much for spending part of your Sunday with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope that you got some kind of motivation out of this video. And if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, and welcome to my channel. And thank you so much for clicking on that red subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload, which is on Thursdays and Sundays. Guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost.